Creating a sensory garden is a wonderful way to engage all five senses and provide a delightful and therapeutic experience for visitors. Whether you have a small space or a large garden, here are some ideas to help you design a sensory garden that appeals to each sense. 1. Sight. Choose a variety of colorful flowers and plants with different textures to create visual interest. Incorporate water features like fountains, bird baths, or small ponds to add movement and reflection. Use different heights and layers, such as trellises, archways, and hanging baskets to create a visually dynamic space. Include decorative elements like wind chimes, garden sculptures, and colorful garden art to enhance the visual appeal. 2. Smell. Plant fragrant flowers and herbs like roses, lavender, jasmine, mint. Include aromatic foliage plants like lemon balm, eucalyptus, and scented geraniums. Position the fragrant plants along pathways or near seating areas to allow visitors to easily enjoy the scents. 3. Touch. Incorporate a variety of plants with different textures, such as soft and fuzzy leaves, smooth bark, or rough tree trunks. Add plants with interesting textures like lamb's ear, ferns, ornamental grasses, and succulents. Include touchable elements like textured garden ornaments or wind sculptures. 4. Taste. Integrate edible plants like herbs, berries, and edible flowers into your garden. Create a designated herb garden or plant herbs in containers near seating areas so visitors can taste the herbs as they walk by. Make sure to choose safe and non-toxic plants for consumption, especially if children will be visiting the garden. 5. Sound. Attract birds with bird feeders or bird baths, which can bring delightful sounds of chirping and singing. Add wind chimes or other musical garden art to create soothing sounds in the breeze. Consider incorporating running water with a small waterfall or bubbling fountain to add a tranquil water sound. 6. Mindfulness and relaxation. Include comfortable seating areas like benches or hammocks where visitors can sit and relax. Provide shaded areas with pergolas or shade sails to create cozy spots for quiet contemplation. Use soft lighting elements like fairy lights or lanterns for an enchanting evening atmosphere. 7. Wildlife attractors. Choose plants that attract butterflies, bees, and other pollinators to add movement and life to the garden. Incorporate bird-friendly plants and create habitat spaces for nesting birds and other wildlife. Remember to plan for year-round interest by selecting plants that bloom and offer sensory experiences throughout different seasons. Also, consider the accessibility of the garden for people of all abilities. And if possible, include wheelchair-accessible paths and raised planting beds. A sensory garden can be an oasis of relaxation, joy, and connection to nature. It offers a unique opportunity to experience the natural world through multiple senses and can be enjoyed by people of all ages.